The most common design for original equipment chassis components today is a low-friction polymer bearing in a sealed, non-greasable housing. When these eventually wear out, most owners replace them with other low-friction parts to maintain the original equipment feel and easy service requirements. Owners who use their vehicles for rugged duty, such as towing, hauling, or driving on rough roads, and especially those used in fleet service, may prefer to replace their OE-style components with heavy-duty parts that use a metal bearing and can be greased to extend their durability, like Dorman's Premium RD chassis components. Each Dorman Premium RD ball joint starts with a larger diameter and metal-on-metal bearing integrated into the housing, providing maximum contact between the ball and the bearing surface. This design increases durability and reduces the effects of hard impacts on drivability and wear. Many aftermarket competitors make their metal-on-metal ball joints with multi-piece, spring-loaded bearings. This design can lead to premature wear and a loose feel compared to Dorman's integral one-piece bearing, as the individual pieces degrade from internal contact and provide less load-bearing surface. Dorman Premium RD bearings are packed with premium lithium grease and include a service fitting to maintain internal lubrication. They're also coated with a premium anti-corrosion finish on the stud and the housing, unlike other aftermarket offerings. That's why, if you need rugged duty chassis components, you can count on Dorman Premium RD to have you covered.